I've been using the JetBlue credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the JetBlue credit card. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the JetBlue credit card. JetBlue credit card specifically designed for frequent JetBlue flyers, offering an array of travel perks and rewards tailored to maximize savings and convenience. This card comes with an annual fee of $99, but compensates through benefits like earning 6x points on JetBlue purchases, 2x points at restaurants and grocery stores, and 1x points on all other purchases. One of the standout features of this card is its welcome bonus of 50,000 points, which you can earn after spending $1,000 within the first 90 days, a reward that can significantly offset travel costs. Cardholders also enjoy travel-specific perks, including a free first-checked bag for you and up to 3 companions, which can save substantial money over multiple trips. Moreover, in-flight purchases such as food and drinks are discounted by 50%, adding another layer of value. Additional benefits, such as no foreign transaction fees, makes it a strong choice for international travel. Plus, an annual 5,000 bonus points anniversary gift, which further enhances long-term usability. However, the card does have some downsides. For instance, it lacks broader travel insurance benefits often seen in other premium travel cards. Plus, the rewards are largely tied to JetBlue-specific spending, limiting flexibility for users who frequently travel with multiple airlines. Additionally, while the introductory 0% APR on balance transfers is attractive, its regular variable APR can range from 21.24% to 29.99%, which is higher than many other cards. Overall, the JetBlue credit card is best suited for loyal JetBlue customers looking to earn rewards and enjoy travel perks. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.